So I want to run you through this sequence and show you how to create an automation for your social. So we pick up here in the Google Sheet any information that you wish to use. It could be quotes, it could be URLs, it could be just statements that you then get Perplexity or ChatGPT to create a title and a description for your social. And I use the router so that I don't have to have 4 sequences. The router just then puts the information through. Now, what we've done here is we create an image with Whisper, and we also create the text for the description, pull some information across to Airtable so that we can record what it is that we have actually posted. Keeps a very good sequence and a good content library. So the idea of all of this is everything that we do, we build up further our content library to ensure that we are basically using information over and over without looking like we are using the same information every time. So Pinterest, what I've done is I've used Placid. You can push an image straight to Pinterest and you can make it the size that Pinterest requires, but I found that if we use Placid, we come up with something that looks a little bit more aesthetically pleasing to the eye and pleasing obviously to those that are searching Pinterest, which are there to look for things, for their house, for their beauty, for their general desires. And we're hoping, obviously that they're going to be looking for your product, which is your jewelry or your craft or whatever it is that you're selling in your Etsy store. So then we also come back down and do exactly the same. Obviously, every platform is different. So we come down to here and create Facebook, which is a bit like this sort of, and put your link to your Etsy store here. And Instagram, we obviously want an aesthetic board, like a bit so that when they look at you, they look to what you're being able to create, and you're creating obviously your jewelry or your pottery or and you're doing quotes and feel good statements in your Instagram. This is all created by the AI. You have not done any of this. And then we come back again and pick up LinkedIn, and it's just a post out, and LinkedIn picks up. You build up the impressions and you post to Twitter. So you're actually posting what's relevant to the relevant platform. So where you find where your potential customers are, that's where we emphasize where we're going to post to. So I wanted to just take you through that so you could see what this was actually doing and how intricate this is, but how little work you have to do to be able to create this. The idea is that I have created this, and I will create more defined sequences for your business and to ensure that what comes out at the other end is relevant to your business. Now, obviously we use ChatGPT here to be able to, the prompt in here is what we design for your business and how you want to get across your business's personality. And from there, we go in and use these programs to be able to create the type of post that you're wanting to put across on your social. It's a great way to simplify your social, but be aware it's a very frustrating program to use because it falls over quite a lot, and that's where it's very important to either, if you're going to DIY, to be able to check this on a regular basis to ensure that it's still working. But secondly, be able to get someone like our business looking after it for you, so you don't have this problem. All you do is you supply me with the content, whether that is just the type of business that you are doing, going to be doing, videos of your day to day, or you want to do just quotes, or you want to get a feel good sort of image with your business, and take advantage, for example, of Pinterest's trends. Right at the moment, there's a big trend on big picture, and there's another trend on shiny objects, like a jewelry fits into both of those. So we would use those trends and design this to be able to match the platform that you are currently going to be posting on, because that's where you found your customers to be, or potential customers are hanging out there at the particular time in your sales funnel and in your buyer journey. So we're going to find them here. We're going to put relevant postings out there, and we're going to do this often. Up to 100 posts a week on any of these platforms is very possible with this sequence. But as I said, it takes monitoring. It takes a bit of work to set it up, and it takes a little bit of work to monitor to ensure that it's working all the time. But that's what we're here for. So if you want to discuss this even further, send me a DM, and we can chat about whether we're a good fit. Okay,